Now we'll see our practice set number 50. In that one, we have to use our expansion formula, that is a plus b bracket square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b bracket square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then here they ask some 4 questions in the practice set number 50, and in the first question expand they ask. In that one you have to use these two formulas for plus as well as for minus, and in the second one they ask some MCQs are there, second and third one, and a fourth one, in that one they ask use an expansion formula to find their values. Then we'll see one by one how to do this one. Okay, then first I will show you in the first question, that is expand 5a plus 6b bracket square. See here, a means here 5a is there, and here b means you have to take a 6b, and here I have to use this a plus b bracket square formula. Then I will get a square plus 2ab plus b square, I will get it. Okay, then here see, you can write in this form, that is a 5a bracket square. See, compulsory you put this bracket. Okay, don't keep it open. Okay, compulsory you have to show this bracket for 5a. After you write here 2 plus 2 into bracket 5a into 6b bracket, and a 6b bracket square you have to write it. Then what will get? See here, 5a square means 5 square will get 25, a square will come a square, 2 5s are 10, 10 6s are 60, ab will come, plus 6 square will come 36, and b square will come b square. Then this is about the first of example is there, and in the second example they are given the fraction, that is a upon 2 plus b upon 3 bracket square. Here a means a upon 2 you have to take, and a b means b upon 3 you have to take, and we have to use again this same formula. If it is a plus is there, that time you have to use this first formula. If it is a minus is there, that time you have to use this a minus b bracket square formula. Then how to solve this example? See here, you take it a upon 2 bracket square plus 2 into a upon 2 into b upon 3 plus b upon 3 bracket square. Then here see, a square will come a square, 2 square will come upon 4, and here see, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, numerator and denominator. Okay, then what will remain? A into b, ab upon 3 is remain here, plus b square upon 9. See, this much is your final answer is there. Now one more question, third they ask here, to find the expansion of 2p minus 3q bracket square. Then here a means 2p and a b means minus 3q is there. Then I have to use this a minus b bracket square formula. Then see here what I will get, that is 2p bracket square minus 2 into 2p into 3q plus 3q bracket square, you write it, and what will get? 2 square will come 4, and a p square will come p square, minus here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, pq will get, plus 3q square will come 9q square. See, this is only the within a 2 steps we'll get the answer, but we have to do all this expansion properly and the calculation properly. And here I will show you one more example, that is x minus 2 upon x bracket square. I want to do it. Then how I can do this one expansion? See here a means x will be there, and a b means 2 upon x is there. Then I have to use here a minus b bracket square formula. Then x square minus 2 into x multiply by 2 upon x plus 2 upon x bracket square. Then x will come x square. Here 2 into x 2x, 2x into 2, what will get? 4x. But here this x and this x, numerator and denominator x will get cancelled. Now here only what will be remain? Minus 4 will be remain, plus 2 square will come 4, and upon x square will come. Then this is only within 2 step will get the answer. Then this way we have to use a plus b bracket square formula and a minus b bracket square formula. If it is a fraction is there, you don't take attention, but you have to how to solve this one. And if you do it cancellation properly, then this within a 2 step will get answer. Then I am showing one more example, that is a 7th one is there. See here, a minus b, a minus 1 upon a bracket square. Here I have to use a minus b bracket square formula. Here a means a and a b means 1 upon a is there. Then you write expansion formula, that is a square minus 2 into a multiply by 1 upon a plus 1 upon a bracket square. Then a square will come. Here a and a, numerator and denominator a will get cancelled. Then minus 2 only remain, and plus 1 upon a square. See, within a 2 step you are getting the answer. Then this way we have to solve the question number 1. Now I am showing the question number 2. In a question number 2 they ask here, which of the option given below is the square of binomial 8 minus 1 upon x. See here 8 minus 1 upon x. See here they are given some option also. I not written in the notebook and directly I solve this one. Then how I can solve this? You have to find out their expansion. 8 minus 1 upon x bracket square you want to find out. See their expansion means here I have to use which formula? That is a minus b formula. Here a means 8 is there and b means 1 upon x is there. Then 8 square minus 2 into 8 multiply by 1 upon x plus 1 upon x bracket square. Then here see 2 8s are 16 upon x will come plus 1 upon x square means 64 minus 16 upon x plus 1 upon x square means here option number 3 is a correct option. Okay, then here I written the option number 3 is a true for that 8 minus 1 upon x bracket square expansion. Then in the third question again here they ask of which of the binomial given below is m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square the expansion. See here in the third example they are given the expanded form and here you want to find out that m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square is a expansion of which. Here see first term is a square means here first term is a square means here a will come what? Mn will be the a will come and here b square means 49 p square q square they are given. Then 49 is the square root of which number? 7 and p square q square will come square root pq means a is here mn and b is here 7pq. Then directly you can write this answer as a mn plus 7pq bracket square. See this whatever they are given no expansion, this expansion of this binomial will come, that is a mn plus 7pq bracket square. And in this one option number 4 is a correct answer for that question number 3 is there. Then this is about the question number 3. And now I will show you the question number 4 how to do this one. In the fourth question they ask here use an expansion formula to find the values. See here they are given some 4 questions. We have to use an expansion formula to find the values. Then I already explained here we have to not to multiply this only this finding the square. You have to use expansion formula, that is we have to see it how you can write in the form of a plus b or a minus b bracket formula. Then see here this calculation part is a very important. And here see first question they ask here find the square for 997. See 997 don't write in the form of 900 plus 97. Here you want to make it this expansion in an easy way. How I can write? That is 1000 minus 3 will get a 997 or not. Therefore I will write this 997 in the form of 1000 minus 3 bracket square form I will write. Then here I will use a minus b bracket square formula. What I will get? See here 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 multiply by 3 plus 3 square. Then here 1000 square will come here near about, that will be the 10 lakh is there, and minus 2000 multiply by 3 will come 6000 plus 3 square will get a 9. Now first you do this subtraction of this two term, that will get a 9,94,000 and this plus 9, that total answer will come 9,94,009. That is the answer for 997 bracket square. Then this is about the first expansion I done. Now second they ask here use the expansion formula, find the square for 102 bracket square. See 102 you can write in the form, that is 100 plus 2 bracket square. Then you use our formula a plus b bracket square. Then what will get? 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. That is 10,000 plus 400 plus 4. If you add all three number, we will get 10,404. Then this way we have to use the expansion formula, and like that way they ask here find the value for 97 bracket square. This 97 I can write in the form of 100 minus 3 bracket square, and here I will use a minus b bracket square formula. Then next question they ask here find the square of 1005 bracket square. Then how I can write their expansion 1000 plus 5 bracket square, and here I will use a plus b bracket square formula. Then in the fifth question they ask find the square for 53. Then I can write this as a 50 plus 3 bracket square, and here I will use a plus b bracket square formula. And lastly they ask find the square of 48 square. See this 48 square, don't write 40 plus 8 bracket square. Here I can write a simple way, this is a 50 minus 2 bracket square, and here I will use a minus b bracket square formula. Then these all we have to use a expansion formula to find out the values of this square. Okay, and this is about the practice set number 50, and you write all these things in your CW book properly, and in the next week we'll see the next part.